All right guys, just going to talk about the Bulgarian bag straps. So you might have seen these on a Bulgarian bag and wondering what they are. So they're not there to be lifted with, so you don't want to be swinging or spinning or pressing or pulling with these straps, otherwise they will pull straight off. They're actually there to assist your grip when you're holding onto the main handles. So the Bulgarian bag is a fantastic tool for developing grip strength, but when your hands get sweaty, okay, you don't want that Bulgarian bag to fly out of your hand mid-flight. So when you're actually gripping a Bulgarian bag, you've really got to actively engage those forearm flexors to ensure you've got a tight grip on the bag. And as I say, as your hands get sweaty, we use these straps just to assist the main handles. Okay, so here's how you set them up. Okay, so when you're setting up, just making sure, so if we've got a stitch in here, as you can see, they're stitched into the same side as the weight. What we actually want to do is we actually want to flip it over. Reason being is if we try to use it on this side, there's going to be too much space, okay? So that's not really providing that much assistance, okay? And we're really relying too much on the straps to grip the bag. So what I mean is if we spin it over and we've got the logo facing upwards, if we put our hands in this way with a stitching down, I can come around either the outside or the inside of the handle, and that feels a lot tighter and I feel a lot more connected to the bag, okay? So again, you can either go on the outside and grip in, or come through the inside and grip out. I actually prefer that grip there. I just feel like I've got more control over the bag there. Okay, so that's how you use your Bulgarian bag straps. So if you like this tip and if you want more tips on Bulgarian bags, kettlebells, steel clubs, steel mates and other functional fitness tools, make sure you like, comment and subscribe. Cheers guys, bye.